they're coming on, coming on, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, he walks through the door, same as before, looking like a real man should. All kinds of designers from his head to his shoes. That perfume's got every girl in the room so confused. I swear this brother has me vexed. He makes me kinda wonder what he's like during sex. He walks to the bar, orders a drink, and then lights his cigar. Oh, and he let it like I pull up a chair beside him and I give him a smile, hoping that he knows I wanna take him home and just rip off his clothes. Oh, so without delay, I pull myself together and I say, one night, make pretend you're on mine. Baby, I don't see a ring on your finger. You could take me home and do what you wanna. One night, honey, it's a deal of a lifetime. 'Cause we could go back to being strangers, but baby, I promise you, you'll always remember. Ooh, oh. Chai, baby, now you will make my heart for Yakata. Baby, now you will make me stand diggy-digba. Baby, now you will make my heart go bim bim. Baby, now you will love me past anything. Baby, now you they give my crazy swagger. Baby, now you been a ginger for my ginger. You are my Superman, my lover and greatest friend. I'm proud of the man you are, and now you work so hard. I'll always stay true to you, support you in all you do. I will love you, 'cause you are a man in all kinds of ways. And it don't matter how much you make, darling, you're a man in all kinds of ways. I ain't just talking about the size of you, honey, you're a man in all kinds of ways. I love how you take care of me, darling, you're a man, and I'ma stick with you through thick and thin. Oh, 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 I'm a and I am telling you, I'm not going. You're the best man I'll ever know. There's no way I can let you go. No, 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 no way. No way I'm living without you. I'm not living without you. I don't wanna be free. No, stay. Yeah. And you, yes you, you're gonna love me. Yeah. You're gonna love me. Yes you are. You're gonna love me.
You're back like that. You make a little man run mad with your ass like that. You dope as crack, oh. I surrender my moolah, you know what I mean.